Hello traders, welcome back to our channel The Forex Trends, and I hope you all are doing very well, and I also hope that the trade setups I analyzed on yesterday's video, you may be executed that trade in gold and book a decent profit. So all right, let's start the today's session, and in this video I am going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd, and we'll look at what opportunities are in the gold before FOMC and after FOMC. Okay, guys. So, and in today's video, I'll first talk about possible trade setups, and then at the end, I will discuss the fundamental in more details. So, those who want to learn something new today should stay until the end of the video. So, let's start the analysis. As as my yesterday's video, I told you guys about the flag limit pattern. In 1 hour frame, there was a flag limit pattern, and I also discussed how the flag limit pattern formed and how it worked in the chart. Whenever market break any strong support or resistance, before break this support or resistance, if market form a flag limit like this, we may initiate a trade from this limit towards the direction. Okay, guys. So look how nicely it worked today. And I also trade on this flag limit pattern. If I shift on 5 minute, during just after release of CPI data, market start to going up and hit this price, that is 2335, and there was my limit order for sale, and it executed. And after that, I have booked 80% of trade at this level, that is 2323 level, near about 100 pips, and I shift my asset to break even. Unfortunately, my break even is hit and I out from the trade. Now I am waiting for the next trade before FOMC or after FOMC. Let me shift on 4 hour frame again to discuss the possible trade setups for today and tomorrow. As I discussed on my previous video, these trade setups are still intact. The first selling position of gold at 2355 level, as it is resistance becomes support, support become resistance level, as I discussed on my previous video, and this is Quasimodo level, and the price is 2377 to 80. If price come to this level, that is 2355 level, after FOMC or before FOMC, we may initiate a sell here. But mind one thing, after FOMC, we need a strong evidence to sell from here. Okay, if market gives us any evidence of volume or any structural evidence, we initiate a sell from here. Okay, if this resistance is unable to hold the price and the price break this resistance and go up to test this last resistance, we may initiate a sell from here. So there is a possibility of sell setups until price break the high, that is 2387.56 level. We will remain bearish on gold. Okay, if market able to create 5 waves like this, 1 2 3 4 5, then also we will turn our bias from bearish to bullish. Okay, so until this both evidence, we will remain bearish on gold. So these two sell trade setups for today and tomorrow, and let's move to smaller time frame for today. Okay, if you can see the structure in 1 hour frame is bullish and it create 5 wave here. Okay, as per this structure we have two levels to join this bullish trend. The first level is this. Okay, market already test this level and give some profit also, and our second level is this to join the trade. Okay, but I am not interested to join this position. Do you know why? Because of this order block. This is a good order block. Okay, let me show you how it is good. Let me delete this level also. This is no need for me. I will initiate buy only from this price, that is 2314 to 2312 level. Okay, because of this order block. If I shift on 30-minute frame, you can see easily there is a huge fair value gap. Okay, and that's why this is a good order block. Okay, this is a good order block because of this fair value gap. Okay guys, that's why I'm very confident on this level, that is the price 2314 to 2310. If we get the price at 2310 to 14, we may initiate a buy up to 2355 level. Okay, so for tonight and tomorrow we have these trade setups. If we get the price at this level, we will initiate buy. If we get the price at this level, that is 2355, we will initiate a sell. If you want to some kind of scalping on gold, you may initiate a buy after breakout of this high, that is 2340. If price close above this price, that is 2340, you may initiate a buy from this level like this up to this, that is 80 to 100 pips. Okay, so these trade setups will work for today and tomorrow. So that's all trade setups. And now let me show you one thing more. Let me delete this thing. There is a multiple confluences in these levels, that is 2313 level. Let me show you in 1 hour frame. If I plot Fibonacci for this entire swing, we get 50% retracement at this order block, as you can see. Okay, that's why it will work definitely. So be ready for this level. Whenever we get the price at this level, we will initiate a buy and we get at least 100 pips from here. So let me delete the fib also. Okay, so that's all trade setups for today and tomorrow. Let's look the fundamental. As you can see, today we have big news, that is CPI data, and it came negative for dollar. Okay, that means the consumer price index showed no increase in May as inflation slightly loosened this stubborn grip on the US economy. Okay, guys, and that means the inflation in US is slightly cooling down. Now we have the another news of Fed fund rate at 11:30 p.m. IST, and it is forecasted same as the previous 5.50, and hopefully the actual will be same as 5.50. There is a less chance to decrease or increase in interest rate as per the previous economic data. Okay. Okay. As we already know, Europe and Canada have already made their first rate cuts, which means the rate cut session has begun. In previous week before week, we get this news. We got this news that Europe and Canada has cut their rate. That means the rate cut session has begun. Meanwhile, US inflation is also cooling down. As you can say here, so it is possible that Fed members might consider cutting rates soon. If we get any dovish close tonight, the dollar could become bearish in the long term. Okay, so there is a chance tonight Fed members may give us some dovish statement. If they give us any dovish statement, the dollar could become bearish in the long term. Mind this thing. Okay, guys. If they give statement like they gave on previous FOMC, as they gave on previous FOMC a hawkish statement and told us they are still dependent on data and their mandate of inflation is 2% and they are committed to inflation down to 2%. If this kind of statement they gave us today, in that case we may see the dollar index will begin ranging again. If I show you the dollar index, you can see it is still in a range here. If tonight they still range in this zone, that is 105 to 104 level. If they gave us a hawkish statement on dollar again today, sorry, tonight, we may see again ranging in dollar. So I am waiting for the Dobby statement for from Fed members. If they gave us today, I will bearish on dollar for long term. Okay, and gold will start fly again. Okay, so let's see what will happen tonight. And after release of and guys, today we have the one more news, that is economic projection. It is also important FOMC economic projection. They release a report of economic projection for future. There is a dot plot report, and by this dot plot report you may able to understand the interest rate projection for near future and the inflation for the nearest future. Everything has projected on this dot plot report, so we have to concentrate on this dot plot report tonight, and definitely I will discuss this dot plot report on my tomorrow's video. So that's all in fundamental and technical. All right, That wraps up today's analysis of gold. So if you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and strategies that really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next video on tomorrow. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye, guys.